Good morning. The sun is out. It's a great day for a photo walk. I'd like to take you into Brandywine Park and to show you what might be done with a cell phone and a very small point and shoot camera. Without any further ado, let's get going. So here is one piece of equipment I'm taking with me on the photo hike this morning. It's the Olympus TG5. A wonderful, sturdy little camera, drop proof to 6 feet above concrete, and I've tried that out twice with no lasting damages. And it's waterproof to 50 feet below the surface. It has a 4x zoom lens in it, but the lens never extends beyond the glass front. So that keeps the profile of the camera very slim, and it keeps the camera dust-proof. As you see, it's slim enough to fit nicely in a pocket. A wonderful little hiking camera. Let's see what it can do this morning. And here's the other piece of gear I'll take with me this morning. That's my cell phone that you see rigged up on kind of a jury rig using an old pistol grip. The kind of grip that used to carry a flash on top and would carry a twin lens reflex camera on the horizontal portion. But instead I have rigged my cell phone to stand on that horizontal portion, and I've put an external microphone on the vertical portion and plugged it into a jack at the bottom of my cell phone. Works quite well, and I have it right now on a tripod, but you can also take it off the tripod and carry it with both hands, right hand on the end of the cell phone and left hand through the pistol grip handle, and it makes for quite a stable rig if you're moving about. Now I'm taking this with the TG5, and you probably can see how close you can get with this camera, very, very close. And you probably also notice that the sound is different because I don't have an external microphone. And here we are by my beloved Brandywine Creek, or Brandywine River as some call it. I like to get out in the early morning because the sun is gentle and the shadows are long. There was major work done recently on a water pipe that is now running under the creek after a lot of construction work. And next to the creek now there's a huge pile of boulder rubble that was taken up from the bottom of the creek when they made the channel for that water pipe. I don't know if you can hear the finches down by the river. When you get on this edge place between cut grass and the wood, that's where the finches like to hang out. And you see the willow tree by the creek is beginning to leaf up. Spring is such a beautiful time. The trees in Brandywine Park are very beautiful. I like the sycamores with their white bark. Contrasted with other hardwoods, makes for a beautiful picture. You notice the long shadows in the morning. That's great for photography. I hope you may be able to hear the birds. Early April or late March is a great time to come out for bird photography because there aren't any leaves on the trees yet, and it's easier to photograph the birds. They hide behind the leaves when they have them. And this lovely strip of homes is called Happy Hollow. They overlook the creek. Nice place to be. This is a nice vantage point where the I-95 bridge and the Van Buren Street Bridge look like they're touching each other almost. And here we are down by the creek. A lovely, restful place to be. In these days of the pandemic, many people are taking advantage of the opportunity to be out in nature. It helps the spirit.